स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwa. Today in this video we'll talk all about the HRM LR, that is nothing but the Human Resource Management and the Labor Relations. This program offered by the TIS after cracking TISnet. So here we will cover important points like eligibility criteria, paper pattern, cutoff, the selection process, complete program details, the seat availability, fee structure, campus and the placement. So guys, here we go. In case you want to join our online program, you can call on this number or you can visit at manwaedu.com. And for classroom sessions, you can join at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So let's talk about the HRM. It is Human Resource Management and Labor Relation. So friends, as you know, there are as many as 53 number of course in TIS where you can pursue your post graduation. For that, you have to crack the TISnet. But here, to pursue the HRM from TIS, you have to give TISmat along with the TISnet. So friends, after cracking your TISnet, you have to immediately give the TISmat exam, that is nothing but the TIS Management Aptitude Test. So let's talk about the complete procedure of entrance exam. So here the eligibility says you must have the bachelor's degree, that is 3 years in any stream or 4-year bachelor in like pharmacy, engineering, law, paramedical sciences, veterinary sciences and others. And here the age criteria says there is no age bar. So let's talk about some exam details. For TISnet, exam mode will be online. Here you will get the 100 questions. Time duration will be 100 minutes. Marking system here is for each correct answer you will get +1 mark, and for incorrect answer 0. That means no negative mark for TISnet. And for TISmat, the mode of exam is online. The number of questions you will get 45 and time duration will be only 30 minutes. And the marking system for TISmat is you will get +1 mark for your correct answer. For each incorrect answer, you will lose 0.25 marks. So remember guys, there is negative marking system in the TISmat. So let's talk about the paper pattern. So for TISnet, you will get 3 sections like English, Mathematics and Logical Reasoning and the General Awareness. For English, there will be 30 number of questions. Mathematics and Logical Reasoning, there will be 30 number of questions. And General Awareness, there will be 40 number of questions. So guys, total 100, and here you have to score 75 plus for HRM program. So after cracking TISnet, you will be qualified for TISmat exam. So after TISnet, you have to give the TISmat. There are 3 sections like comprehension, management, data interpretation and the business awareness. And here you will get 15 questions from each section. So here the total number of questions will be 45, and here you have to solve in just 30 minutes. So let's talk about the selection process. So guys, here your TISnet score just play the qualifying role here. And in the selection process for HRM, the 30% of weightage from the TISmat, the 40% of weightage from PIT, that is pre-interview test, and the 30% of weightage from the personal interview. So friends, remember there will be no weightage for TISnet in final selection criteria. So let's talk about the campus. So the Mumbai campus is one of the oldest campus which is established in 1936, and the Mumbai campus is a hub for all MA programs offered by the TIS. So guys, TIS Mumbai is one of the oldest institute providing the course in HRM LR. So here we'll talk about the complete program details. The School of Management and Labor Studies offers the Master of Arts in various courses like Human Resource Management and Labor Relations, Organization Development, Change and Leadership, that is ODCL, Globalization and Labor, Master of Arts and Master of Science in Analytics, and Master of Arts in Social Entrepreneurship. So friends, here we'll talk about the Human Resource Management and Labor Relations. This school has 68 number of seats. The duration of course is for 2 years. Here you will get the 4th semester and the internship, or we can say that field work, in 4 different organizations in 4 different sectors in the 4th semester. And here you have to go for the 1 NGO internship and 1 summer internship, and there is also the research work. So friends, why HRM? Because there is greater demand today than ever before for good quality HR professionals who can facilitate decent work opportunities across sector and build inclusive and people centric organizations. And students graduating from this program pick up top notch entry level management jobs in various leading organizations. So in this semester, here you will get the foundation course, and then in the field work, that means interface between theory and the practice. So it is an integral part of HRM curriculum and provides lot of opportunities for students to reflect, apply and integrated acquired skills to work situation in field work organizations. So let's talk about the fee structure. It has a very nominate fee structure. As for 2 years academic program only, here the fee structure is just 1.15 lakhs and the academic fees with hostel fees is only 2.40 lakhs. So as the fees is very nominate, here you will get the best ROI, that is nothing but the return on investment. So friends, if you have keen interest in the management, so you can go for the HRMLR instead of the other management studies. Let's talk about the career scope and placement. So friends, these are the organization where you can play the leadership roles. So here I mentioned some companies which are also the past recruiters like 3M India, Capgemini, Reliance Industries, Raymond, Swasth Foundation, Tata Projects, and so many companies there. So overall I want to say that here you will get 100% placement because there is a dedicated placement, that is the counseling which works whole academic year to brand the students and courses. So friends, here you will get the packages like the highest package stands at 27.5 lakh per annum, median stands for 18 lakh per annum, and the average is at 17.4 lakh per annum. So friends, here you will get more than 20 times on your investment. If you wanna post graduation in management studies, then you have to go for the HRM LR. So friends, these are the companies which are the past recruiters. You can also play the leadership role, professional managerial role in these companies. So friends, this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me in the below comment section. And in case if you wanna crack TISNET, then join Manwa online program where you can get books, mock tests, sectional and full course as well. You can also attend our live lectures. So call us on 8828581455 or you can visit at manvoedu.com/MBA entrance. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.